Welcome to Profit Insights, where we explore the ever-changing world of finance with a steady hand. I'm Dusty, your guide through the latest market movements and key developments affecting your investments. Today, we're diving into Thursday's market action. U.S. equity markets moved higher, getting tantalizingly close to record highs. The S&P 500 climbed 0.6%, just a whisper away from its peak, while the Dow nudged up 0.3%. The Nasdaq took the spotlight with a strong 0.9% gain, and the Russell 2000 wasn't far behind with a 1.3% advance. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Investors faced mixed corporate results and ongoing political gridlock, with trading volume muted as everyone awaited new economic data amid the U.S. government shutdown. Now, let's talk corporate earnings. Tech giants Tesla and IBM had a rough day. Tesla's profits missed the mark, dropping their shares by 5.3%. IBM faced a similar fate, down 5.4%, due to a slowdown in their cloud software segment. However, it wasn't all gloom. Dow Inc. and Las Vegas Sands brought some sunshine with stronger-than-expected results, though Molina Healthcare sank over 20% after cutting its profit outlook. The economic landscape paints an interesting picture. The government shutdown has delayed critical reports like the Consumer Price Index, adding uncertainty to the Federal Reserve's upcoming meeting. Despite this, many expect the Fed to trim rates, pointing to a cooler labor market and restrained consumer spending. Energy stocks surged, fueled by a 5% jump in oil prices after new sanctions on Russia. Meanwhile, consumer staples took a hit as investors rotated toward more cyclically exposed sectors. Quantum computing and specialty semiconductors also enjoyed a bump on news of possible federal backing. For the week, all major indexes posted gains, keeping investors in a relatively upbeat mood. The Nasdaq leads year-to-date with an 18.8% rise, followed closely by the S&P 500, Russell 2000, and Dow. Looking at early trading on Friday, futures are modestly up. Intel's impressive earnings are sparking a rise in tech optimism. While geopolitical news, like a planned meeting between President Trump and China's Xi Jinping, eases some concerns over trade tensions, as we peer into the near-term outlook, all eyes are on the delayed CPI report, the Fed's policy decisions, and a stream of corporate earnings. With the government shutdown affecting data transparency, market reactions may be even more sensitive to surprises, especially in the context of U.S.-China relations. Before we wrap up, remember, keep an eye on the Fed's guidance and stay informed about potential changes in trade policies that could impact your investments. Thanks for joining me on Profit Insights. When the dust settles, only the truth remains. Stay savvy, and we'll see you next time.